So this is really satire. I mean, you don't really believe that that happened, correct? This is a satirical campaign to make the point that what? You're looking at me like, no, it's not satire. I really do believe this.
Honestly, it's kind of offensive.
Okay, so it's not satire.
I don't think you would say that if I said birds are real.
Got a new boost to the brain, MC says insane. Can't get a bark, get hard on my brain. Get clear, let violence reign. Got a target, launch to the markets. Let loose an acid gift. Full of hot blood, full of thoughts, full of heart, full of soul. But I got root, not fly. After the one, then move to the next guy. Did it, I'm wildly and fly to the fly. Gotta make a move, gotta make a scene. Gotta trick around for the sight. Can't fight this all because I'm a sergeant. Like this, don't respect. I stole the key, just spark my fury. Not me, just notice me. You know I run some things. Dominate that diamond bricks. See the start of a broken home and a broken bone and a dial tone. Rocky pockets for the sea. Turn an island destiny me. Then we'll see. That'll be never more. Take a look at the mirror and the sea.
Vision, focal point, shy. Head me down and provide. That's what out here, good goodbye. Ace of base and makers.
Rapper and that Jesus Christ. Have the shit from hard and hard. Limitate. Shake that feeling, got me stunned. Break the fast, get off cunt. Keep your arms, your eyes, the sun, the sort of never done. Can't make friends with a dead immense, cause that terror never ends. Shell shock beating, trapped in sin to the morning light in the midst of prints. That thought's rising, got me trained. Another day and I'm insane. Little bit of pain on a rainy day, and it's at me. Get away. All for the sight, you can't fight this. All because I'm a sergeant. A light is news for the brain. Your eyes.